is some test footage with the GoPro. First time mic's hooked up. First time I've ever had a camera mounted on my helmet. We motovlogging officially. I don't know if it's official until you post it. Like, if you don't post it, are you even a motovlogger? I don't know that it's necessarily a dream of mine to be like the next famous motovlogger or anything. Now that I have the means and the setup, and honestly this was all because of the Mississippi Trans-America Trail section that I'm going to be doing in about a month. Is my headlight working? It is working. Okay, it's just, I was trying to see in the back of that truck. I couldn't see my actual main headlight going there. So anyways, that's a pro tip for you if you ever want to make sure your lights are working. And I've got the LED bar on the front too, so making sure that that's on and bright during the day. And here in just a minute, I'm going to show you something that is complete absurdity. Don't litter, bro. Jesus Christ. You could have kept that in your car. I've seen people with nasty cars, which I'm okay with. Nasty car, that's fine. At least you're not polluting the freaking earth, you horrible people. Like, don't do that mess. I'm doing enough pollution with my motorcycle and my aftermarket exhaust. Haha. So this is what I was talking about. This freaking roundabout. There is no other roundabout in this city. This is a roundabout. Now, why they insisted on having a roundabout right here, I don't know. I think because they wanted to feel fancy. There is not enough traffic on this road to justify that roundabout. It was, I don't even know if it was a four-way stop previously. I think it was just a two-way stop. And this road that we're on right now just went straight through. And the traffic wasn't like backed up crazy enough that you wouldn't be able to just wait for a second and then go. It's the dumbest reason for a roundabout I've ever seen. Some areas highly populated, you know, it's out like Nashville and some places in Memphis, you know, it's, you got to keep the flow going. But that area, like, there's not enough traffic. It's the dumbest reason to have one there. But apparently we wanted to be fancy, I guess. So that's what we have. That's our roundabout. Yippee! Popping through downtown, and I've actually got to get my car registration renewed by going either down there. I may do it online. I should do everything online, like I've done just about everything else during the pandemic. I don't know why I went Batman mode right there. That's a Booster Boy if I ever saw one. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. There's a couple dudes rocking boosters out here. Got some Cruiser boys. Surprised I got a wave on that one. Us ADV bros don't get much respect, especially the high-vis ADV bros. He was in a black vest, so kudos to him. Oh, we got another Cruiser boy. It's a good day to ride. I can say this though, some of my best thinking has been done on the back of a bike. And yeah, there we go. If I don't stall my bike, how embarrassing would that be? Oh, the Postal Service. Are you going? Are you staying? I'm gonna whip around him real quick, or real slow. Looked like he was walking to the door anyway, so that's good. I've done a lot of stuff to this bike. It's a 2005 V-Strom DL650, which is semi-small bike for a dude that's 6'2", 200 pounds. But I do love this thing, and so I've put a lot of blood, sweat, and tears into it. But I've done so much to this thing, and it's had some stuff done to it before I even got it. What's the saying? It's like, are you wrenching or are you riding? Well, for the last several months, I've been wrenching, getting a lot of stuff set up to make this a little more off-road capable as I ride on the street. But I've been kind of tweaking this thing for a while. A shout out to my dad, because he's old school. He's got like just the mechanical know-how on how to figure things out, and if something's not working, he will find a solution. He'll find the tool. More often than not, he will make the tool. He's very resourceful. He figures things out. I'm so just impressed and in awe. He's a major part of my motorcycle journey. And here's a fun fact: my dad has never ridden a motorcycle in his life. But damn it, if he hadn't been there every step of the way, helping me wrench on this thing, adjust things, set things up, test things, change tires with me, It's so much help he's offered me on this thing. Like, this bike has just as much of him in it as it does me. So I really do love this old piece of shit. It's not a piece of shit. I really do like this bike. It's just not new. It's an old bike. It takes a little bit of TLC. It's taken a little bit of TLC to give it the capabilities that it has now. Trying to wave to all the porch people so they don't like call the cops and be like, there's a loud motorcycle running down through here. Typically, if I wasn't recording and thinking about recording, I would probably be going down through here a little faster. Oh, John Deere Green. Rest in peace, Joe Diffie. There's some dudes. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 dudes. Nice. That's the thing. I don't have a crew. I don't have a cut to wear. Oh, is that the same Booster Boy? It might be. I think that might have been the same Booster Boy. It looked the same. It was a black Booster. It had like silver and maybe some red trim on the back. I'm not sure. It looked like it might have been the same guy from earlier. That guy's on a boat. He's having some southern fun, apparently. I got my boots and my pants and my jacket and my gloves and my helmet and all the safety accoutrements for motorcycle riding. Was that an R1? I can't tell by the lights. I don't know my sport bikes as well when I'm oncoming to them, but everybody knows what a Booster looks like. Even people that don't know what motorcycles look like know what a Booster looks like. There's another one, another sport bike. I'm not sure what that is. Yeah, I think his is stretched a little bit. Yep, there he goes, burning it up. Well, that dude didn't get too far ahead. He's right there. He revving. I hear him. Does he have a Red Bull in his pocket? I think he's got a Red Bull. That's legit. We are 2 different kinds of bikers. If that's not obvious, folks. What if I pulled up beside it with this this 15-year-old V-Strom and just revved the out of it? Just like, bring it on, brother! I think this is it for the vlog. Like I said, we covered a bunch of stuff. We're just gonna play with the footage and see what happens. And hopefully this all turns out well.